So I'm Peter. I'm the lab manager here at Fuse Lenses. I take care of all the lab guys and all the lab stuff that's going on. I do lab stuff. That's me.
Yeah, man, he's got a mop on his head, man. That thing, man, woo!
I think everybody here likes it. Nobody hates it. I get lots of compliments.
Peter's hair is stupid. It looks like a palm tree some days, and then the next day it looks like the Nile River. I don't even know how to describe it. It's stupid. I see his hair and I just want to punch him, you know?
My name's Dusty. I've been with the company for about a month, and ever since day one, I've honestly wondered what's going on with Peter's hair. Past couple weeks, I've actually had nightmares about it, so it's honestly really getting at me. He looks like Cousin It with just a lot less stature.
Yeah, everybody just tells me when they walk by, they're like, "Dad, I see you with the cool hair," and I'm just like, "Thanks, Jason."
Well, everybody in the office wants Peter to cut it. I don't understand. I love it. I love seeing him with that long, luscious black locks of just pure beauty. His hair is just gorgeous.
Sometimes I get weird looks from Garrett.
I think we should have a ceremonial burning of his hair follicles. I'd very much like to just strap him down and one by one burn every hair off of his head.
But I think Brandon likes it. He hasn't fired me yet.
What do I think about Peter's hair? To be honest with you, it's pretty unprofessional. Kind of makes him look like a chick. If he didn't do such good work, I don't think we would keep him around here with that kind of haircut.
Yeah, I think it's a pretty professional haircut. I think most lab guys wish they had long hair, but these locks, they don't come easy.
Damn, man, it's just all over the place sometimes. You're talking to him, you're talking to his hair and not his eyes, for God's sakes. You can't tell where he's looking from one time to the other.
I don't know, it's nice at first. When he takes his hairband out, he looks like a real life Lion-O from Thundercats, so that's pretty fun. I'm still waiting for the hair flips every now and then, but it's all right.
If there's one thing I've consistently hated about Peter, it's his hair. I used to have long hair like Peter. Decided not to look stupid anymore.
I think I have the longest hair here, even with the girls. Some of the girls here, they got short hair.
So Peter's hair looks like an absolute rat's nest, and I feel bad for whatever rats are staying in there because it's that bad.
I watched Peter's hair grow for 2 years now. I'm gonna miss it. Everyone else hates it, but I think it looked nice, and he should have done some cornrows.
But, you know, it's whatever. I got cool hair.